TAVR pioneer Edwards Lifesciences wows analysts with Q3 results. Overall, Q3 results wowed us, though some may nitpick Q4 guidance or look for a more specific range on double-digit TAVR growth in 2021, says Murray Tyball, an analyst at BTIG. And indeed, Edwards Lifesciences CEO Mike Mussallem said during the company's third quarter earnings call that the company does expect to return to double-digit growth in 2021, but he stopped short of offering a more specific range. He did say, however, that global TAVR growth in the quarter reinforces the company's belief in its projection of a $7 billion opportunity by 2024. Thermo Fisher Scientific also had a strong third quarter, driven primarily by demand for COVID-19 tests. And as the company's CEO, Mark Casper, points out, Thermo Fisher Scientific is involved in the pandemic both by providing COVID-19 diagnostic test kits as well as reagents used for lab-developed tests, along with sample collection products and instrumentation. Should you put off joint surgery during COVID-19? Well, that is a question that a lot of people may be asking themselves if they suffer from chronic joint pain. Orthopedic company Zimmer Biomet launched an educational campaign in an effort to guide people with chronic joint pain on navigating joint surgery during COVID-19. The campaign, Don't Let Pain Gain on You, is informed by the results of a new company-sponsored U.S. survey that reveals nearly half of joint surgery candidates have postponed treatment due to fears stemming from the COVID-19 pandemic. We understand why the pandemic has created uncertainty around elective procedures like joint replacement surgery, but we also know that for some people coping with chronic debilitating joint pain, postponing a necessary procedure could have a significant impact on quality of life and continue to cause life-altering pain and loss of mobility, said Ivan Thornos, Group President for Global Businesses and the Americas at Zimmer Biomet. With this new campaign, we look to encourage people to have a proactive conversation with their doctor about joint replacement surgery and get the support and care they need to address their pains safely and with confidence. Abbott's portfolio also continues to show strength and resiliency during COVID-19, but some might be surprised to learn that COVID-19 tests are only part of the story. While the sales of COVID-19 tests did drive growth in the company's diagnostics segment, the company's medical device segment also returned to growth in the third quarter, 3.4% year over year. Our pipeline has been highly productive, says Abbott CEO Robert Ford during the third quarter earnings call last Wednesday. And he noted that the company has more than 100 new products in its pipeline across all four of its businesses that are planned to launch over the next couple of years. What's moving Star Surgical shares? This is the question that a lot of analysts had after the stock jumped more than 30% in the past month and nearly 16% just in a few days last week. Admittedly, we missed an early window to upgrade following the post-2Q pullback, got too cute on timing, hoping for pullback, and lost the opportunity as shares have risen about 48% from their lows, says Brian Zimmerman, a Medtech analyst at BTIG. Although he noted that given the outsized move in the company's shares, the firm did field a number of investor calls about what could be driving such a move. Zimmerman offered some possible explanations. He said that it could be a combination of factors, such as reallocations in personal spending to refractive surgery. For those of you who don't know, Star Surgical makes implantable contact lenses. Zimmerman also said it could be the challenges of wearing masks with eyewear, or it could be an elongated and strong season of implantable contact lenses in China.